Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Lily, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to attach files and photos in Gmail in your iPhone. So first of all, launch your Gmail app. Then tap on Compose button in the bottom of the screen to create a new mail. Now fill in the recipient, subject and email body as per your requirement. I'll directly show you how to send the attachment. So for that, tap on the attachment icon in the top of the screen. Now to access the photos in your gallery, tap on All just next to Photos. From here, choose the photo you want to send as attachment. Again, tap on the photo and then click on Send as Attachment. Similarly, in order to attach files, tap on the attachment icon again. Now scroll down and tap on Attachments. Now select the file you want to send and tap on Open. So this is how you attach files and photos in Gmail. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this.